2017 Toyota Corolla with less than 75,000 miles on the odometer. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.